Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.1, Problem 14. This is Section 3.1, Problem 14. It says, write the decimal as a fraction, and we have 5.14. So, to convert a decimal into a fraction, first what we're going to do is write what comes after the decimal in the numerator of a fraction. So I'm going to put 1/4 in the numerator of a fraction. Now the 5 in front of the decimal, of course, will stay also in front of the fraction. 5 point something will be 5 in some fraction. Now, again, step 1, write what comes after the decimal in the numerator of a fraction. So I've done that. Step 2, put a 0 under each digit that's in the numerator. The numerator has 2 digits, so the denominator gets 2 zeros. Step 3, put a 1 in front of the bottom zeros. So I have 5 and 14/100ths. Step 4 is reduce the fraction if it is reducible, and this one is. 14 and 100 are both even, so I can at least cut them in half. So the 5 in front of the fraction will stay in front. And half of 14 is 7. Half of 100 is 50. So my answer is 5 and 7/50. That's equivalent to 5.14.